Want to know a secret? I started saving over $1,000 every single month, and it wasn't by getting a huge raise or winning the lottery. It was by simply quitting a few things I used to buy without even thinking, and the best part? I don't miss them at all. Stick around because I am about to share the 10 things I cut out of my budget that completely changed my financial life, and I bet some of them will surprise you. First up, and this one was a biggie, was my daily fancy coffee. I know, you've heard it before. But let's do the math. A $5 latte every workday adds up to about $100 a month. That's over $1,000 a year just on coffee. I didn't give up caffeine, don't worry. I just invested in a quality coffee machine and some really good beans. Now I make my own delicious coffee at home for a fraction of the cost. The ritual of making it has become something I genuinely look forward to in the morning. It's a win-win. Number 2 on my quit list, bottled water. This was an environmental decision as much as a financial one. Think about it. We were paying for something that literally comes out of the tap for free, or close to it. A pack of bottled water might seem cheap, but it adds up quickly. Plus, all that plastic is just terrible. I bought a high-quality reusable water bottle and a simple water filter pitcher for my fridge. The water tastes great, I stay hydrated, and I'm saving around $20 to $30 a month, not to mention doing my part for the planet. Next, I stopped buying brand new books. As a book lover, this was tough at first. The smell of a new book is just intoxicating. But my shelves were overflowing and my bank account was crying. So I rediscovered my local library. It's an incredible free resource. I can read all the new releases and old classics I want without spending a dime. I also got into ebooks and audiobooks through library apps like Libby, and for books I absolutely must own. I now browse secondhand bookstores or online marketplaces. I'm easily saving $50 to $60 a month and still reading just as much, if not more. The fourth thing I quit was expensive gym memberships. I was paying almost $80 a month for a fancy gym I barely used. I'd go in phases full of motivation for a few weeks, and then life would get in the way. I realized I was paying for the idea of being fit, not the reality, so I canceled it. Instead, I started using free workout videos right here on YouTube. There are amazing creators for yoga, HIIT, dance cardio, you name it. I also took up running in my local park. My fitness level is actually better now because it's more convenient, and I'm saving that $80 every single month. Number 5. Impulse buys at the checkout counter. You know what I'm talking about, the candy, the magazines, the little gadgets, all strategically placed to tempt you. They seem harmless, just $1 or $2 here and there. But I did a little experiment and tracked these small purchases for a month. I was shocked to find I was spending an extra $30 to $40 just on this stuff. My new rule is simple. If it's not on my shopping list, it doesn't go in the cart. It requires a bit of discipline, but it makes a noticeable difference. Okay, we're halfway through. Number 6 is a huge one for many people, takeout and food delivery. My weekday laziness was costing me a fortune. After a long day of work, ordering in felt so easy. But a $15 meal quickly becomes $25 with delivery fees, taxes, and a tip. Doing this just twice a week was costing me over $200 a month. My solution was meal prepping. I spent a few hours on Sunday chopping veggies and cooking a few base meals like grilled chicken, quinoa, and roasted vegetables. During the week, I can throw together a healthy, delicious meal in minutes. It's been a total game changer for my wallet and my waistline. The 7th thing I gave up was buying fast fashion. I used to love grabbing a trendy $10 shirt or a cheap pair of jeans. But the reality is, that stuff falls apart after a few washes. It's a false economy. I was constantly replacing clothes, and it was just a wasteful cycle. Now I focus on buying fewer, higher quality items that will last for years. I shop sales at better brands, and I've adopted a sort of capsule wardrobe. My closet is less cluttered, getting dressed is easier, and I'm saving at least $100 a month by not constantly buying cheap clothes. Number 8 might be a little controversial. Cable TV. We were paying over $120 a month for hundreds of channels we never watched. We just scroll and end up watching something on a streaming service anyway. So we cut the cord. We kept our internet, of course, and subscribed to 1 or 2 streaming services that have the shows we actually watch. This move alone saves us about $90 every month. And honestly, we don't miss it one bit. Coming in at number 9, subscription boxes. Whether it was for makeup, snacks, or dog toys, I had a few. They're fun at first. It feels like getting a present every month. But then I realized I wasn't using half the products. My bathroom cabinets were filled with sample-sized moisturizers I didn't like, and my pantry had weird snacks my family wouldn't eat. I was basically paying for clutter. I canceled them all. It was a simple way to free up an extra $70 a month. Now, if I want to try a new product, I just buy that one specific product. And finally, the 10th thing I quit buying was pre-cut fruits and vegetables. The convenience is so tempting, I get it. A container of pre-sliced pineapple or a bag of chopped onions can feel like a lifesaver when you're busy, but the markup is insane. You're paying a huge premium for someone to do a few minutes of work for you. I bought a good set of knives and just made it a habit to spend 15 minutes prepping my produce when I get home from the store. It's almost meditative. The savings are around $40 to $50 a month, and the food is so much fresher. So let's quickly recap. By ditching daily lattes, bottled water, new books, gym memberships, checkout impulse buys, food delivery, fast fashion, cable TV, subscription boxes, and pre-cut produce, I'm consistently saving over $1,000 every single month. It wasn't about deprivation. It was about being intentional with my spending and finding smarter, cheaper, and often healthier alternatives. This journey has been about more than just saving money. It's about taking control and realizing that I don't need all this stuff to be happy. In fact, having less has made my life feel richer and more focused. I challenge you to look at your own spending. Pick just one or two things from this list and try quitting them for a month. You might be surprised at how much you can save and how little you'll miss them. What's something you've quit buying to save money? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to get some new ideas. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a better life on a budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.